God, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful planet. Hi, I'm Dr. August Dunning, and I do these nifty little beach walks that talk about dry fasting. And one of the things we do is we understand what short dry fasts do, and they do very good things. They can clean out your sugars and all that jazz and kind of reset you a little bit really fast. The Russian doctors both agree, both Filanov and Shishnikov, say that you really aren't going to get the benefits of a dry fast unless you do at least 5 days. Because 2 days of that is taken up in getting rid of your glycogen. So really you're only 3 days in a hard dry fast, so to speak. Because once you get into the fat burning and there's no peak AA and the Wnt proteins open up your stem cells for regeneration of themselves. That's the thing about a 5-day dry fast. You got to be able to have the time in a dry fast to let your stem cells be repaired, because the Wnt proteins aren't turning anything on to be repaired, and the somatic cells don't do that. They just replicate and lose telomeres. But the stem cells are your emergency guys, and your stem cells are the guys that need to be fixed and perfected every time they have to regenerate. And over time, if you don't fix them, they get damaged like any other cell. So one of the best things to do with a 5-day dry fast is to make sure you stay in for that extra 3 days, because it gives you time to go through interphase, gets them ready, so when you do refeed, they go into massive regeneration. You know, that's how it works. It doesn't regenerate every single day you're in it. It just sets all your stem cells in all your niches in the interphase position where they can repair themselves. So all the basic enzyme repair process and NAD and sirtuins and all that jazz. That's probably why NAD is upregulated during a dry fast, specifically for that function. Anyway, so yeah, that's kind of a deal. Do a 5-day. It's really worth your while. And wow, these waves look great out there. Anyway, I've got to go get a surfboard waxed up, so I will see you later.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.